Alright, Mr. Comparison here. Today we're doing another Hungry Man video, and it is beard battered chicken. So, kind of the same thing like last time. You got that brownie. Oh, the brownie. You got potatoes, and instead of corn, we got vegetable stuff and chicken. Instead like the patties. And just let me put this in. So we just gotta cook it on for 4.5 minutes. This is what it looks like. Oh my, look at that. Alright, 4:30. Perfect. Oh, I haven't even told you guys yet, but every single 5 episodes, so this is the second episode. Hold on, let me fix this shit. This is the second episode. So on the 5th episode, I will be saying what meal I would rather have again out of like all the other ones I have. So yeah. We still got like another 2 minutes for the thing to cook up in there. And I do want to try some other stuff. Like I have some ideas like the chicken sandwich for Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. I want to see which one's better for sure. I do want to try the Kings. I want to rate that, yeah. Probably like Del Taco and Taco Bell. Like which one tastes better for like the tacos, whatever the heck. I'm pretty sure those probably taste the same, but I don't know. Alright, it's finally done. Just gotta take out the brownie and put it in there for another 3.5 minutes. Oh, look at that stain, baby. Yeah. The brownie. Y'all ain't never had nothing like this before. That's just like a green bean. Don't worry about that. Oh, damn. What else? Gotta stir up the potatoes like normal. Can't wait. And that's it. Just put it back in there for another 3.5 minutes, y'all. So y'all know how we do. We rate the brownie while the food's cooking. Just look how good that is. Oh yeah. Dude, that shit is bomb. My brownie. Oh, that is good. Oh. Alright. So honestly, you guys already know I love the brownie, man. Texture is good. Flavor is delicious. Everything about that. I don't even think I ever had a better brownie, to be honest. Even though it is frozen food, like, best thing I've ever had, dude, honestly. That shit is delicious. Alright, so it's done. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, I'm a little sad. Look at this, bruh. Let me just stir it more, yeah. I don't know. You guys look at this? Like, these potatoes? Oh, it looks a little better on the camera, but like in real life, it does not look nothing like this. Like, Those potatoes look way better than this. It looks like it's just full of water. This is the rest of the food. So you got the chicken. Honestly, looks good, dude. Got the veggies. You got the chicken. Oh, I dropped my food in there. Oh man, hold on. I dropped my phone in the food. Alright, so we're back. I dropped my phone in the food. I had to go clean it off. So, first thing we're gonna try is potatoes. They're gonna taste the same as like last time, probably. Yeah, they taste the same. I think they taste maybe a little better if you stir them up more, but other than that, they're the same exact thing. Chicken. Time for the chicken, bro. Look at that. It looks so weird, like on this side compared to this side. Like this side looks so much better. I'm not feeling it. Like the chicken part is good, but the bread just tastes garbage. Yeah, chicken tastes good, but the bread is whatever. Vegetables, they're just vegetables, to be honest. Oh, that is hot. Shit. They're good though. They taste like vegetables. Yeah. Yeah, honestly. Alright, it's time to rate. So for the price, we already know how this works. The price has 3 stars out of the 10 that we're gonna rate it out of. So for the price, I'm gonna say 3 out of 3 because $2 for this whole entire meal. That's good. That's honestly good. $2 for this whole meal, so 3 out of 3 stars for that. Time it takes to cook, it's only 2 stars out of the 10. So 8 minutes just for this. That's not that much. Yeah, I'm gonna say like that's a 2 star. Maybe a 1.5. I think 1.5 because I mean it feels so long just waiting here for the food. Like, unless you're probably going doing something, but like, yeah, we'll give it a 1.5 stars for that. And then the taste. It could be a lot better. It could. I'm gonna give it like a 2.5 for the taste part. So 3, 2, 1, and then the 2 halves. 7 out of 10. So the other one, other Hungry Man was better. The other Hungry Man was 7.5. This one's only 7 out of 10. So that's today's video, guys. Hope you guys like. Last look at the food. That's what it looks like. It's pretty alright.